Spoken English Kit, a complete set of 24 books, 6 CDs and 6 DVDs for learning and improving your English language with help and support from Urdu language. Spoken English Kit. www.spokenenglishkit.com equals a unique set of 24 books plus 6 CDs plus 6 DVDs set. For details talk to us at 9989669261. List of the books in Spoken English Kit. Introduction to Spoken English Kit and how to use the books and CDs and DVDs. Guidelines. Book 1 Parts of Speech. Book 2 Structure of Sentences. Book 3 Word Power and Vocabulary. Book 4 Fluency Techniques. Book 5 Parts of Speech in Detail. Book 6 Verbs and Tenses Chart, Active Voice and Passive Voice. Book 7 Formation and Transformation of Sentences Exercises. Book 8 Sentences of Daily Use. Book 9 Basic Terminology of English Grammar. Book 10 Classified Vocabulary and Most Common Word of Daily Use. Book 11 Conversation of Daily Use. Book 12 Word Power and Correct Use of Parts of Speech. Book 13 Reading, Comprehension, Understanding, Writing, Listening and Speaking Skills Development Techniques. Book 14 Paragraphs Writing, Essays Writing, Story Writing, Letter Writing Exercises. Book 15 Fluency Techniques Exercises, Group Activities and Group Discussion Practices. Book 16 Pronunciation, Accent and Phonetics. Book 17 Conjugation of Nouns. Book 18 Conjugation of Pronouns. Book 19 Correct Use of Adjectives. Book 20 Uses of Verbs in Details. Book 21 Uses of Adverbs in Details. Book 22 Uses of Prepositions in Details. Book 23 Uses of Conjunctions in Details. Book 24 Uses of Interjections and Punctuation in Details. Presented by LetusLearnEnglish.com in association with IQRA Educational Academy, Hyderabad, registered by Government of Telangana State, India. A unit of IQRA Soft, registered trademark owned business firm, Hyderabad, TS India. Designed by www.adsmanager.com, a unit of www.ikrasoft.com. If you are trying to learn English and fail to do so, try with our Spoken English Kit, which is now available in a consolidated one book. It is available in the following different formats and packages: paperback, hardcover, digital format PDF, ebook format, audiobook, combo pack. For more information and details, please talk to us at our mobile 99869619,989,669,261 or speak with us at our landline at +9 10402 444 2211 +9 10402 444 2211. Send an email to info@spokenenglishkit.com. Please visit our website at www.spokenenglishkit.com. We offer you a complete package. Our CEO Mr. Muhammad Abdul Majid and his support team always welcome you all and wish you all the best. Goodbye. Have a nice day.